He's not that big a fish, but pretty strong yet, isn't he?
Surprising.
Like I said, he may run under the boat when he gets close, so just be ready for that. Get your composure now. Just face your fish, get your rod hook facing your fish, turn your body. It's a pretty chunky one. You might have to step up on the bow, I don't know. Okay, he's getting ready to bolt under the boat here in a second. Nice and easy on him. Just anticipate him running under the boat. You got him. Just over my head. Maybe going
Redfish.
Don't reel anything.
Oh.
That thing pulled good or what? Talk to me.